Hey, it's Mr. Johns, and I just thought I'd give an update. I typically wait until I'm done with a project, and then not a product, a project, and then share it. But I thought I would. Let me see what's going on here. I thought I would just give you an update on my Lego City. So, um, so a little ADHD issue going on in my brain. So this is my work area, and it is covered with Lego instructions, tissues, because I had a cold PlayStation controller that wasn't working. So now I have an Xbox controller that's plugged into the gaming computer in the corner. There's a flight yoke that I haven't ever used. Hot Wheels collection on the wall. Those are all Hot Wheels Mustangs, everyone ever made. It's just a mess. Model cars, all kinds of other miscellaneous junk. Yeah. So the new monitor got recently, and second monitor, keyboard. Okay, so under all this junk, I was doing some drawing, painting, and under there is a Lego building somewhere. So let's walk outside and we'll take a look at the Lego City. Before we go outside, there's a Speed Champion kit on the floor over there in the corner. Where is it? I guess that box right there. That box is a Lego boutique building. Pac-Man machine. It's RC cars on the wall. Yeah. So my goal is to get organized with all this. For so long, I had like 20 hobbies, and obviously it's a mess. I have too much going on. So let me show you the shop outside. This is a shed that I built. It's got a table in front of it. I mean, it's chaos here, people. This is a shed that I built from the ground up to look like a train caboose. And it has little solar lanterns that come on at night. And there's a couple really cool things about it. I'm distracted. This isn't my Lego. Sort of my Lego stuff. So let's open up the door here. So it's got a double door that opens up. And then, so what I have so far is just tools and supplies on the left, and then a work area. And over here, I'm working on getting my Lego extra pieces organized. More models in the corner. And then this there's a Lego Minecraft, more Minecraft, and then a building that I dropped. So this whole area is supposed to be workbench. And then, that whole wall folds down, which I won't do right now, but in the nice weather, I can fold the whole wall and see my backyard. So let's rotate over here. This is an outdoor shop. It's a disaster too. So, okay, let's give you, here's the big picture. Now I just added see-through windows, by the way, that open. So I can prop those open in the summer to get fresh air. And when I'm making sawdust, the sawdust goes straight out. So Hot Wheels cars. So tools, bandsaw, chop saw, belt sander, blimp on the wall, lighting system. Oh man. Over here, not much. Just junk. Just stuff. Quadcopter, Steelers tissue box. I was doing trains for a while, so trains, drill press, some Mustang art on the back wall. So, and let's go inside. So that I just built on the outside because I needed my inside to be clean. So we will open up the Lego shed. Oh man, this thing has come a long ways, but it is still a disaster. It's a disaster. So my goal for the summer is to get clean, everything organized. So Santa workshop, RC car doesn't belong. Little video game, no, doesn't belong. My trains, I was going through my Lego trains, trying to get them organized. That is the Lego Treehouse set. This is the, what is that, Disney Castle set. Cinderella's castle, which is obviously in disrepair. So yeah, American flag, that's sad. That should not be displayed like that. Need to take care of that. Oh, an RC airplane and an RC airplane wing. Here is the Lego roller coaster, which is completely torn apart. The Black Pearl Lego ship, that's cool. Lego lighthouse. Lego Hobbit hole. Oh, okay. So then we've got Lego Ferris wheel, Lego Titanic, which you can't even see in one picture. It's huge. It's huge. It's Titanic, as a matter of fact. In the back, Disney train station, Mustang, and some Christmas bears. Okay, now that was all miscellaneous junk. Over on this side, not junk, but on this side is my city. So I've got most of the modulars done and built. All the lights come on these. Oh, I should turn the lights on. I should turn the lights on. The diner, the haunted house is in the way. So, but I've got some buildings back behind. That is the shop. Oh, and I have all the Lego Speed Champions cars. Okay, more buildings. What a mess. That's the bank. Don't know which that one is. I can't remember. Or that one. Oh, that's the French restaurant. There is the Ferrari. Cars are on top. Cars are on top of the hauler. So yeah. I'm trying to clean as I go here. So more cars, more city, jazz club. That is the corner cafe. So, and yeah, the movie theater, more cars, more cars, more cars. Fire station. That's the assembly square. More trains and more cars. That is the city hall, pet shop, and the corner garage, which I love. So the goal, so it's a good problem to have, but, the Boeing airplane. Up there is just RC airplanes and cars. Too much going on. So my goal is to have the trains running all the way around, and I built this bridge overpass, so the trains will cross over that area. And this whole area is going to be like Disneyland, so all the fun and interesting different things built here. And as you can see, I've got a lot of work to do, and I just don't really... I haven't spent much time on the Lego City, and it deserves better than this. So, by the way, this is the best it's ever been. I've had it in different rooms in my house. I've had it on shelves. It's been in a shed where it just collected dust, and that's where a lot of them started falling apart. And I just can't let that happen. So that is kind of an update of the Lego City and the chaos in my crazy life. I spend so much time doing the hobbies that I don't spend much time organizing or cleaning or putting stuff away, which is not a good habit, but it's always been that way for me. So my goal this summer is to get everything organized with my hobbies, and especially my Lego City, and have it in such a way that it's displayed nicely and it just looks awesome. So stay tuned, and I plan to do more videos on Lego City and Lego builds in the future coming up. So I'll catch you next time. For now, Mr. Johns is out.